Welcome back to the channel, RV enthusiasts, overland adventurers, and luxury travel aficionados. Today, we have a massive piece of news that is sending absolute shockwaves throughout the recreational vehicle industry. For years, the Class C motorhome market has been somewhat stagnant, relying on the same traditional layouts, familiar materials, and incremental updates that rarely push the boundaries of innovation. But that era of complacency is officially over. Grand Design, a manufacturer that has built an absolutely legendary reputation for producing some of the highest quality towable trailers and fifth wheels on the planet, has finally made its highly anticipated leap into the motorized RV segment. The result is the brand new Lineage Series motorhome, a vehicle that doesn't just enter the Class C market, but threatens to completely dominate it. This groundbreaking debut brings a host of premium features, intelligent design choices, and construction methodologies that this specific market segment has quite literally never seen before. If you have been holding out for a mid-sized motorhome that refuses to compromise on luxury, durability, or technology, grab a seat, because we are about to dive deep into exactly why the Grand Design Lineage is the ultimate game changer you have been waiting for. To understand why the Lineage series is such a massive leap forward, we have to start by looking at the foundation. Grand Design did not cut any corners here, opting to build this new masterpiece on a premium heavy-duty chassis that ensures both reliability and a remarkably smooth driving experience. While many Class C motorhomes feel like you are driving a rattling delivery truck, the Lineage is engineered to deliver an automotive level of handling and comfort. Powering this luxurious home on wheels is a robust and highly efficient power plant designed to conquer steep mountain passes and cruise effortlessly down the interstate, all while maintaining impressive fuel economy for a vehicle of its stature. The integration of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and comprehensive blind spot monitoring, means that piloting the Lineage feels incredibly safe and intuitive, even for those who might be new to the motorized RV lifestyle. The exterior of the Lineage series is an absolute masterclass in modern RV aesthetics. Moving away from the swooping, dated graphics that have plagued the industry for decades, Grand Design has opted for a sleek, sophisticated, and highly aerodynamic profile. The seamless fiberglass bodywork, paired with stunning automotive-grade paint options, gives the Lineage a commanding presence on the road and at the campground. Frameless, deeply tinted windows wrap around the coach, enhancing the futuristic look while providing excellent insulation and privacy. But the exterior is not just about looking good, it is packed with unprecedented functionality. Grand Design has introduced an incredibly intelligent exterior storage system, offering cavernous, heated, and illuminated compartments that rival the cargo capacity of much larger Class A diesel pushers. Furthermore, the outdoor living experience has been elevated with a massive, wind-sensing power-owning, integrated high-fidelity exterior audio, and a brilliantly designed outdoor kitchen setup that allows you to entertain and cook under the stars without ever having to step foot inside. However, it is when you step through the entry door that the Lineage series truly separates itself from everything else in the Class C category. The interior is nothing short of a luxury condominium on wheels. Grand Design has brought their renowned residential design philosophy into the motorized space, resulting in a cabin that is breathtakingly elegant and supremely comfortable. Everywhere you look, you are greeted by handcrafted solid hardwood cabinetry, soft-touch ceiling materials, and premium residential flooring that is designed to withstand the rigors of full-time road life. The lighting design is a particular standout, utilizing a complex system of dimmable indirect LED strips that create a warm, inviting atmosphere, completely eliminating the harsh, sterile lighting found in older motorhomes. The kitchen in the Lineage series is guaranteed to make even the most discerning home chef swoon. It features massive expanses of solid surface countertops, an oversized stainless steel sink with a high-rise residential faucet, and a suite of premium appliances that you would expect to find in a high-end residential home. We are talking about a massive 12-volt refrigerator that provides unparalleled cooling performance, an induction cooktop for fast and safe meal prep, and a convection microwave oven. But what truly sets this culinary space apart is the obsessive attention to storage. Grand Design has utilized every single square inch of available space, incorporating deep, soft-close drawers, pull-out pantry systems, and hidden compartments that ensure you can pack enough provisions for weeks of off-grid living without feeling cluttered. Moving into the living and sleeping areas, the innovation continues. The seating features custom high-density foam wrapped in ultra-luxurious, easy-to-clean fabrics, providing the perfect place to lounge after a long day of hiking or driving. The traditional cab-over-bunk, often an uncomfortable afterthought in many Class C models, has been completely reimagined. In the Lineage, this space features panoramic front skylights that flood the cabin with natural light, alongside dedicated climate control vents, reading lights, and device charging ports, making it a space that adults will actually want to sleep in. Towards the rear, the primary bedroom is a true sanctuary, featuring a premium residential mattress, massive wardrobe storage, and perfectly positioned windows that allow you to wake up to breathtaking natural views. The bathroom is equally impressive, offering a massive residential-style walk-in shower with luxury fixtures, a porcelain toilet, and an on-demand tankless water heater that guarantees you will never run out of hot water, no matter how many people need to shower. Perhaps the most significant aspect of the new Lineage series is its technological suite and off-grid capabilities. Grand Design recognized that modern RVers want to travel further and stay completely disconnected from crowded campgrounds. To accommodate this, they have equipped this motorhome with a state-of-the-art power management system that the Class C market has desperately needed. A massive lithium-ion battery bank, paired with a high-output inverter and an extensive rooftop solar array, comes straight from the factory. This means you can run your air conditioning, make a cup of coffee, and power all your devices while parked completely off the grid in the middle of a national forest. Every system in the coach, from the climate control and lighting to the tank levels and slide-outs, is controlled via a centralized, intuitive touchscreen interface, which can also be accessed remotely through a dedicated smartphone app. In conclusion, the Grand Design Lineage series is not just a new motorhome, it is a declaration of intent from a manufacturer that refuses to settle for the status quo. By combining their legendary build quality with unprecedented luxury, intelligent floor plans, and an off-grid electrical system that puts the competition to shame, they have essentially redefined what a Class C motorhome can and should be. It is a vehicle designed for those who want to explore the country without leaving the comforts of a five-star resort behind. It is clear that the rest of the RV industry is going to have to scramble to catch up to the new standard that has just been set. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's deep dive into the extraordinary new Grand Design Lineage. If you enjoyed this detailed look, please consider subscribing to the channel for more daily automotive and RV content. And let us know in the comments where you would take this magnificent machine on your first road trip. Safe travels, and we will see you in the next video.